All right, let's turn our attention outside. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley joining us now. Okay, we had rain this morning. Right now, we're in that dry zone, but it's not out of here.
No. I mean, the rain and the storm chances are building. In fact, we actually have a severe weather chance for today. And if we see any severe storms, it's going to come from this line that's developing just off to our west at this point. So we'll zoom in, just kind of show you what's going on there. You can see the line of storms that are heading our way. It's not much right now, but it is expected as we are seeing temperatures really warming up ahead of this line. We're expected that these storms will continue to intensify. So not a lot of lightning right now, but expect some decent lightning as it's sliding through here. That'll make things dangerous enough. Strong windy conditions, maybe some small hail will be possible in each one of these cells, and also downpours that are going to add to what at least radar estimates are showing us already upwards of about an inch of rain. So we'll wait for it. It's going to come in. There you go, right there with those rain numbers. Now, interesting enough, I was just looking at the Pittsburgh airport. The numbers there just at around 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. But look at what happened places just off to the south. We're looking at more than an inch of rain, upwards of 2 inches of rain, fairly isolated. But this is right in the metro, the city, the South Hills area, over around the South Park, Bethel Park area, then up extending across the Parkway East, where we are seeing these bigger rain totals. So it's not going to take much for the rest of the day for us to see maybe some flooding breaking out in these communities that have already seen upwards of 2 inches of rain. It's also right in the area that we have the flood watch. This goes all the way up until 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Might even be extended past that with some light rain and drizzle sticking around on the day on Thursday. So there's those storms. This model's putting it in here at around 5 o'clock. I wouldn't be surprised if some communities, especially places like Wheeling, places like Washington, if you're seeing these storms maybe as soon as 3 o'clock. 4, 5, 6 o'clock, though, these storms will work their way through. Then just some rain showers. They'll be spotty after this. We'll continue to see rain, maybe even a couple of rumbles in the overnight hours tonight. And then as we're heading into tomorrow, fairly steady rain will be around. Second day in a row for the morning commute that we will be dealing with some rain showers out there as we're starting off the day. So flood watches might be extended. Right now, they're going through 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Cool weather pattern. It's expected to linger. In fact, today is likely going to be the hottest day that we'll see over the next week. Rain chances in the forecast on Memorial Day as well. Currently right now, mostly cloudy, 67 your temperature. Winds not too bad out of the south at 8 miles an hour. Look at where our dew point is. Yesterday it was in the 30s. It's all the way up near 60 degrees right now. You add that in with high temperatures potentially hitting that 70-degree mark today. That's where those storms are going to come from. In fact, we already have places like South Strabane 71, Waynesburg at 72 degrees. So the warm air, quick warm up ahead of the cold front and those storms that are developing off to our west. Here's your extended forecast. Pirates taking the field, just took the field. 70 degrees today, your high. Look at what happens Thursday and Friday. We're down into the mid-50s. For that, we are warming up as we're heading into Memorial Day weekend.